Everything looks good here. The new sorter is working perfectly.
Yeah, the efficiency is up 5%.
All right, bring it in slowly. Confirm temperature at 3 degrees. Seal it up tight for biosecurity.
Check the humidity levels on row 7.
Everything is stabilized, proceeding as planned.
Ensure the airflow in chamber 7 is stable.
Confirmed. All environmental controls are within optimal range.
The beta on this looks promising, Doctor.
The biometric data on looks promising, Doctor. Says
The vitality metrics on this group are exceeding projections.
The automated sorting has significantly reduced handling time. Supervisor.
Manifest check complete for truck 7. All systems green. Seal the bay doors. The auger system is performing optimally. We're seeing a 2% increase in efficiency this quarter. The performance metrics are excellent. Growth efficiency is maximized. Agreed. Optimization is complete for this cycle. Mobility looks good on this one. Check the respiratory data for this row.
Data shows a slight uptick in ammonia levels near the east vents.
The final weight checks are complete.
All right, let's initiate the loading sequence following the standard procedure.
The scale of the operation is immense. From the moment the transport units arrive, every step is managed by computer. The cleaning systems ensure unparalleled hygiene, with every product undergoing rigorous sanitation before the rapid chilling phase. In this state-of-the-art facility, high-speed cutting lines ensure every portion is standardized with remarkable precision and efficiency. Industrial chilling systems rapidly cool poultry products to food-safe temperatures, ensuring continuous operation and quality control. The automated systems here handle an incredible volume, sorting and grading thousands of wings per hour with pinpoint accuracy before moving to packaging.
System reports green across all lanes. Optical scanners confirming uniformity.
The AI scan shows 0 anomalies on this batch. Confirmed. The metal detector also cleared the last 20 units. Route confirmed. Sealing shipment. Next pallet to Bay 7. Keep it moving. Here at the point of purchase, the final step of the industrial journey, consumers prioritize freshness and high quality, ensured by modern refrigeration.